Okay, well, welcome back to my channel. This is Korin. This video is going to be a pink-ish neon eye look. I'm trying to match my shirt here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be going for today. So first I'm going to use my Farsali Unicorn Essence. Okay, and then I'm just going to fill them in really quick with the Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to use my Toofaced, hold on, where is it? Okay, my Toofaced Sculpting Concealer Super Coverage in light beige, per usual. I always use this one for my eyebrows. But past the pot, let me skill it. Just got back to the block for a 6 o'clock with Jigga. And I'm thinking about signing. I'm gonna put on the Smashbox PhotoFinish Foundation Primer. And this is like a pore minimizing primer. I have to wait and let it kind of sit in, soak into my face. I don't like to put my foundation on right after I put on primer just because I feel like it moves around. To color correct, I'm using the, let me wipe it off. I'm using the BelláPierre Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. I always use the green one. It's the only one that I've hit pan on. But yeah, I'm just going to use that. And I'm going to cover up my dark circles. And, do I have any pimples? Oh shit. A little friend. So I'll cover him up and then my dark circles. Oh, I got it. Empty at the bowl, it's all dirty. I already know, don't even gotta say nothing. Like a little bouquet. Could go for a burrito. For foundation, I'm gonna go with my usual, it's like my go-to, it's my perfect shade. In the sun, out of the sun. So I always use this one. This one's Milani's Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer, and I'm in Sand Beige, number 6. First, actually before I do that, I'm gonna contour with the Milani Contour and Highlight Cream Liquid Duo. And now I'm going to put on my foundation. I'm just gonna do a 1 pump on my forehead and then blend and then tap everywhere and then blend it out. And then I'll put concealer on after. I'm going to add High Beam from Benefit. Gotta shake. That's where I put that. And then I'm going to put some Farsali Rose Gold Elixir drops. And this is just to help blend it all together. Okay, so now I'm going to blend it out. This is just my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Okay, so I blended out all my foundation spots. And now I'm going to do my contour lines. And now I'm going to put on concealer. I'm going to use the Toofaced born this way, but this is a different shade. I'm gonna use natural beige. It's a little darker than light beige. It's still bright on me, but I'm using it to highlight. So okay, so now I'm gonna set everything with I'm using my, hold on, where'd it go? ColourPop setting powder in Banana. This is their Banana setting powder. Take off this sticky. And then this is a brush from Luxie. This is their Precision Foundation brush, but it's super fluffy, so I'm using it. I always use it to set my face. Okay, and now I'm going to bake. I'm going to just use my sponge to go into the same ColourPop banana powder. And I'm just going to put a little extra under my eyes. I'm going to use my Airspun powder now. This is the Airspun. And this is in translucent. I don't know if they make a banana powder. Actually, look. but I'm just gonna go down the sides of my nose. I'm gonna take a hit. I'm hungry, man. To start my eyes, I'm gonna use the MAC paint pot just to prep, and it's in Painterly. I use it pretty much every single time. This is a Sigma large shader. This is their E60. Every time I'm gonna do any eye look with eyeshadow, even if it's just like a super shock shadow, like it's not like cream shadows, but they're still like eyeshadows, I still use this.
See, I'm the type of road that's weird in the ghetto. Took a few shorts before. Now the only ones I take are the ones that I wear. Ain't taking no shorts no more.
First, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow. This shadow, I think, is from Sugarpill. It's really big. Okay, I've used it before. This is Dollipop. It's just like a pressed eyeshadow, but it's kind of the same color as this. You know, they're kind of similar. Okay, for brush, I'm gonna use this crease brush from Moda Pro. I think that's R&L Moda Pro. Really pigmented. Like, look at this brush. It's so pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna tap it off. Pink dust. And I'm just gonna go right in my crease. Oops. I'm getting a different brush. This is a Morphe R39. Kind of buff this pink, move it around. Trying to see what I'm trying to do, you know. I'm gonna add some more Dollipop. Just right in this crease. I'm gonna use this other ColourPop shadow. This is a new shadow that I got. This is in Hop On, or it's called Hop On. It's this red one right here. It's kind of red-orange, more red though. I'm gonna use a pointed crease brush. This is from Makeup Geek. And it's just like a smaller blending brush. Okay, and now I'm just gonna use this Morphe brush to blend out that edge on the outer. Okay, so this is my Sugarpill pigment. This is in Love Buzz. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna go back in a Dollipop, the pink before, and add it all over my lid, the tops of my lid. I'm just gonna get a clean blending brush. This is a Morphe E27. And it's just like a flat blending brush, but I'm just gonna blend out the edge real quick. Just the edge. Okay, I'm gonna add some more of that red, the Hop On from ColourPop, just to the crease, just to darken up, just to kind of make a difference, you know? Now I'm gonna do the pigment. I'm actually gonna, what should I do? Should I put down a base or like some glue? I think I'm gonna put glue. I'm gonna use this glue from NYX, this glitter glue. I'm just gonna use just a little bit. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Rub it out, and then I'm gonna put that on my lid. Alright, so now I'm just gonna use the Morphe brush that I was using because it's really fluffy. I'm gonna use some that's in the cap just so I don't get too much, and I can dust it off back in there. So that's the pigment. It's so pretty. Oh, I'm nervous. So pretty. Just soften up the edges a little bit. I'm gonna dust off my brush. I was wiping it on the towel actually. And I'm just gonna go around the edges. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna use this pencil brush that I used for Hop On, and I'm gonna go in over it. Does it match my shirt? I celebrate that pigment. One more time. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. complexion brush. It's just a big fan brush, or a big powder brush to me. But I'm just gonna wipe everywhere. So I'm gonna use Dollipop again, which is this bright pink. That was the first shade that we used, like our base. I just stabbed the fuck out of it. This is, I think it's a Makeup Forever. Yeah, it's Makeup Forever M928. And it's just like a purple. But I'm gonna use that right under my lashes, like right under my lower lash line. Or like right under the lashes. I'm gonna put mascara on now. This is the Tarte mascara. And I'm just gonna do one quick coat on top and bottom. For lashes, I'm using these Minx by M lashes. And I'm gonna use this glue from Kiss. It's their aloe flavored. And these are in the style Kirsty. Cruelty-free lashes. They're indigenous owned, which shout out to them. But yeah, these are from their Luxurious 4 collection. It says all their lashes are $14. And honestly, I think these lashes are, I only have tried one. I've only tried Kirsty, but these lashes are bomb. Gonna contour. I'm gonna use the Anastasia light to medium contour kit. This is the Korin.Jones Cosmetics Glow Bomb. I'm gonna try to use this one instead of my baked bronzer from Dose of Colors, because I have a lot of bronzers like this shade that I just don't use because I don't know why. But I'm gonna use that. And I'm using this Beige Cosmetics brush. Here, I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. This is the M441 here. I always use this to contour, but I'm gonna just go back into the Anastasia kit, into the same shade we used for a highlight. I'm using the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is a lip liner from Nobby and Espresso. I used it in my last video, I think, possibly. This is Verona from Ofra Cosmetics. My favorite nude is Melt Cosmetics Nude, the Fenty gloss. This is it. I tried to, hold on. I was trying to go for this color on my eyes. I mean, pretty fucking close. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Later.